Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error. So whenever you're trying to open any application or whenever you restart, you get this runtime library error, especially from Visual C++. We are going to repair and fix it by only two single steps. Very simple and very easy to follow. So just do a right click in the start icon and then go to run. And here we need to type appwiz.cpl. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. Wiz.cpl. Once you have typed it, click on OK. A new window will appear like this, and we need to see the Microsoft C++ redistributable. So you just need to do a right click and click on change, and then you will find an option to repair. Do this for Once you click on repair, it will ask you to say yes, and it will start initializing and start repairing the redistributable Microsoft C++ error. So if there is any problems, it will be fixed, and you need to restart the computer and see if that works for you. All right. If that doesn't work for you, then you can freshly install the Microsoft C++ Visual Redistributable according to your bit of the computer. Like if your computer is 64-bit, you can scroll down and you can download the 64-bit C++ redistributable. If it's 32-bit, then you can go with x86. All right, you can do that. I'll mention the link in the description box and you can get it from there. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.